The province's weekly COVID-19 news conference was focused on the impact of vaccines. Dr. Saqib Shahab says that's not more evident than when you see the case numbers declining and the impact on hospitalizations. 91% of new COVID cases in May were among unvaccinated people or those who had received their first dose within a 3-week window of contracting the virus. 81% of hospitalizations were people not vaccinated or not past that 3-week mark. The majority had other health conditions or were over 60 years old. Shahab says this should encourage people of all ages to get vaccinated.
Complacency is a factor that many young people have busy lives, and if you live in a rural area where you haven't seen COVID for a while, many people are putting it off, that we'll get it maybe next week or the week after. And really, I think it is important to get it, if you're 12 and older, still unvaccinated, at your earliest convenience and not put it off. And that allows you to then complete the second dose. And this starts protecting you immediately, protects your family and the community, and also helps us move more quickly to our reopening level step 3.
For more than a week, second doses have outpaced first doses in Saskatchewan. The health minister says now's not the time to offer incentives. He says hesitancy isn't an issue right now, as much as a lack of urgency is for those under the age of 50. He says some may be putting off getting their shot, while others may not think the virus will impact them severely.
What they are failing to see is the impact that this could have on their family, on their community, that if they have COVID, and if they contract COVID, that can spread even to people that are fully vaccinated. There's a very small chance of that happening, but I think they're failing to see that this is important not just for themselves, but also for the greater community.
Merriman says the government is discussing the requirements for fully vaccinated people to self-isolate when they are deemed a close contact. He says he hopes to have an announcement on that in the coming days. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.